My company is 50 over years old, mainly dealing with Chinese delicacies like bird nest. Since we started this bottle bird nest product, we introduced a lot of idea to upgrade and to do automation. 2011, we make use of the government PIC grant to purchase this new line. And with this new line, actually, it helped us to upgrade some of the process. So with this process, actually, we save quite a lot of manpower, as many as 70%. Surely, with the help of PSC grant, more local companies are more willing to invest and to upgrade their process. Some companies, they might not have capital to do so, even though they have the idea. So with this grant, definitely they are more daring and more confident to introduce this new idea to their process. We hope the government can continue or introduce even more schemes to help the local industry to introduce more automation to their process, and at the same time maybe also introduce some new scheme for us to train our people to be more skillful.